In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Plug Power stock. My dear friends, this stock has given a breakout from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been triggered, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a massive upside rally gets started. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was on top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by price rise and there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see a closer look, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the third here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upside, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs. And here we got in two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the buy side. And the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move as far as its lower lows is protected. And finally, my dear friends, we will check the diversion. If you place an MACD indicators, you will be surprised to know even the diversion is showing the positive diversion. Price action is tilting on the downside and MACD histogram is tilting on the upper side. And this is an area where we got an breakout. And finally, my dear friends, we will see the most important breakout, and that will be in chart pattern breakout. If you'll see, we are able to see there is a positive chart pattern breakout, or you can call it as an ascending triangular chart pattern breakout. We can clearly witness it's got broken out, and the first target will be 303 point, it's $3.38 will be the first target, and the second target will be $4.07, and in between there will be some resistance the stock may face before the way to get target hit. In between there will be a resistance where the stock may face a rejection and it may come to retest the neckline. It will go up and it will go near to a blue line which is in rejection, and it will come down to retest, and then it will start the actual momentum. So there is a possibility it may take a retest near the resistance level. And finally, my dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong support because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have identified the downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the buy side. This was an area where we have predicted the lower lows get shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have witnessed the positive diversion between the MACD histogram and the price action. And this is an area where we have identified the positive chart pattern, ascending triangular chart pattern break on the buy side. So with due respect to all the positive breakouts, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. Earlier this was an resistance, but after breakout the resistance turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like our analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.